Hello, guys. Welcome to this evening meditation. Take a moment to settle in comfortably, whether you're lying on your bed or sitting somewhere quiet. It doesn't matter. Just let your body relax and drop your shoulders. Soften your face and gently close your eyes. This meditation is here to help you let go of the day and prepare your mind and body for a deep, restful sleep. Let's begin with a few mindful breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly rise gently, and exhale softly through your mouth or nose, whichever feels best. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension, wrapping yourself in a soft, calming blanket. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, guiding you into relaxation. Bring your attention to your body. Feel the contact points with the surface beneath you. Notice how your body rests, whether on your bed or chair. Observe any sensations, like temperature or the texture of your clothes, sounds around you without judgment. Gently anchor yourself in the here and now. Start with your breath, then take your time to relax your entire body. Relax your face, smooth your forehead, soften your jaw, release tension in your neck and shoulders. Let them sink and unwind. Relax your arms and hands. Feel a sense of calm in your fingertips. Soften your chest, belly, and back. Feel the relaxation flow down into your hips, legs, and feet. Imagine that with every exhale, any lingering tension drifts away, like floating in a peaceful ocean. Picture yourself in a beautiful, tranquil place, maybe a beach, a forest, or a garden at sunset. Feel the atmosphere, the sounds, the scents, the gentle hum of nature. Let this peaceful scene embrace you, filling you with a sense of safety and calm. Breathe in the serenity and exhale any remaining stress. Take a moment to feel grateful for today, your experiences, your efforts, yourself, and let go of anything you no longer need, like worries, busy thoughts, or tension that might keep you awake. Give yourself permission to release it all now and fully relax. We are going to count down to sleep. We begin to slowly count down inwards. So, then, sinking deeper into relaxation. 9. Feeling peaceful and calm. 8. Letting go of everything. 7. Fully present in this moment. 6. Breathing gently and evenly. 5. Ready to drift off to sleep. 4. Your body feels heavy and at ease. 3. Completely relaxed. 2. Ready to sleep. 1. In a deep state of calm. If you like, you can remain in this peaceful space for a little longer. The music will play a while and feel the calm and serenity within. When you're ready, give yourself permission to drift off into sleep, knowing your body and mind have found the rest they need. Thank you for doing this sleeping meditation for yourself, taking this time for you. It's very important. I hope you have a very good night and a restful sleep. Until next time, good night.